Want to understand how close your bore wells are to rivers and lakes? Today, I'll show you how to create an interactive bore well mapping project using MAPOG. No coding, just smart GIS in action. Step 1. Prepare your data. Start by collecting bore well data. Step 2. Create a new project on MAPOG. Head over to story.mapog.com and click on Create New. Give your project a name like Bore Wells Near Rivers and Lakes. Add a quick description. Hit Save. Step 3. Set the base layer. Before plotting the bore wells, let's add some context. Click Add Data. MAPOG GIS Library. Search for and add the district or region boundaries. Step 4. Upload your bore well data. Now click Upload Excel/CSV data and select your Excel file. Map the latitude and longitude fields properly. Your bore wells will now appear as point markers on the map, each representing a well. Step 5. Add rivers and lakes. Go back to Add GIS Data. Search for water body layers like rivers or lakes and add them to your map. Make sure they appear beneath your bore well layer for visibility. Step 6. Create buffer zones. Let's see which bore wells are closest to surface water. Use the Buffer tool. From Process Data, select the water body layer and set a radius, say 300 meters. Name it Water Body Influence Zone and choose a light transparent fill. Step 7. Style your bore wells. Go to Style Layer, Unique Style to color code your bore wells by depth, source, or risk level. This makes it easier to spot patterns or problem zones at a glance. Step 8. Share your map. Once ready, click Share and Publish. You can embed the map on your website, share it with NGOs or water authorities, or use it in community workshops. Like and subscribe for more GIS tutorials. And reach out to us anytime at support@mapog.com.